Good morning, welcome to Golden Hour. Today we are doing a cherry blossom class out here in the nature. So we'll start today in child's pose. Knees nice and wide, toes touching. We're moving for a nice gentle class today, so no rush, nowhere we need to be, nothing we need to achieve. Just our bodies on the mat. Sending your hands long, sitting back into your heels. So you can feel your breath in your body. With every breath, can you sink deeper down into the mat? Looking up to your palms, walking your hands over to the right, left hand on top and sinking back down. So you feel a nice big opening through the left side body. Coming back to center, bringing your left hand under, right hand on top and sinking down. Working yourself back to center and coming up to sit back on your knees. So we're sitting up on the shins, resting your dominant hand in your non-dominant hand, sitting up nice and tall. Close the eyes. So you can go a centimeter taller through the crown of the head. Move into some neck rolls, bringing your head over to the right, down towards the floor, to the left, and then up to the sky. Going nice and slow. And then let's reverse the circles. Back to center. Coming to all fours, dropping your belly down, looking up at the ceiling. Exhale, rounding your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, dropping, looking up. Exhale to round. Eventually coming back to stillness. So let's tuck our toes, push our hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Generous bend in the knees. And then let's pedal out 1 foot at a time. Releasing both heels down. Looking to the front of the mat, taking small steps all the way to the front. Holding onto opposite elbows, letting your head go. Ragdoll. Releasing your hands down and slowly rolling all the way up to standing, sweeping your hands overhead. Exhale, hands into heart. Releasing your hands by your side. We'll move nice and slow through our sun salutations. Inhale, hands reach. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, looking forward, stepping your right foot back, right knee grounds on the mat, low lunge. Planting your hands, stepping back, downward facing dog. Coming forward into high plank, knees, chest, chin on the mat. Releasing the toes, pulling yourself forward into low cobra. Tucking your toes, pushing back, downward facing dog. Looking to the front of the mat, stepping your right foot forward, grounding your left knee, low lunge. Stepping up to the front of the mat, Uttanasana. Inhale, sweeping the arms to stand. Exhale, hands to your heart. We'll go again, left side. Inhale, hands sweep. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, looking forward, stepping your left foot back this time, left knee is on the mat, low lunge. Planting your hands, stepping back, downward facing dog. Coming forward to high plank, knees, chest, chin, Ashtanga Namaskar. Releasing the toes, low cobra. Tucking the toes, pushing back, downward facing dog. Looking forward, stepping your left foot forward, right knee grounds. Stepping up to forward fold. Bending your knees slightly, rising to stand, slight back bend and hands to heart. Very nice. Releasing your hands by your side, closing your eyes for a moment, feeling your breath. Blinking open the eyes, hands to center, stepping back your left foot, bending through the front knee, reaching your hands to the sky, warrior one. Opening to the side, warrior two, back foot is slightly in from 90 degrees, bending deeply. Then forearm to thigh, extended side angle. Reaching through your fingertips, pressing down through your left heel. Looking down at the big toe or all the way under the armpit towards the sky. Brace your core, inhale back up, warrior two. Straightening the front leg and reaching forward, triangle pose, Trikonasana. Bend through the front knee, warrior two. Then we'll turn all 10 toes to face the long edge of the mat and turning the left foot to face the back of the mat. Turning your back foot slightly in, warrior one. Opening, warrior two, spreading through the fingers, opening the back hip, sinking down nice and low. Forearm to thigh, extended side angle. See if we can open through the chest. Breathing steadily, coming back to the breath whenever you remember. Brace your core, warrior two, and then we're straightening the front leg. Reach forward, triangle pose, Trikonasana. Your hand can be holding onto your calf or palm open, pressing back through the shoulder, open through the chest. Bending your front knee, warrior two. And then we'll turn all 10 toes to face the long edge of the mat again, interlacing your fingers behind you, open through the chest, and exhale, tipping forward. Wide-legged forward fold. letting your fists drop towards the floor, maybe bending the knees. And if you're feeling a little bit stuck, let's take a wider stance with the feet. Release your hands to the floor. Inhale, halfway lift, hands under shoulders. And exhale, walking your palms back in line with your heels, letting your head go. Inhale, halfway lift. And turning towards your right foot, so framing the front foot with both your hands, high lunge, bracing your core, stepping back into a plank and lowering down chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. And exhale, pulling back, downward facing dog. Dropping your knees to the mat, knees nice and wide, sinking back, child's pose. Gently climbing up to sits, knees together, so we're sitting up on our shins. Again, dominant hand in your non-dominant hand, closing your eyes. So we'll finish the class either here or in Shavasana, lying down, so you decide. Take a few moments here to come back to the breath. So completely let go. Softening the face, the shoulders. Wherever you are, placing one hand on your stomach, one hand on your heart, so you can feel your breath. If you're in Shavasana, gently drawing knees into chest and eventually coming up to sit. Place our hands back down in our lap. Feeling any shifts in the body. So we can make everything we can soft. Relaxing the forehead. Relaxing it even more. Blinking open the eyes, bringing your hands to heart center and bowing down towards yourself. Thanks so much for joining me for this outdoor morning class. I hope you're feeling nice and fresh, ready for the day. If you enjoyed today's class, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you again another morning soon.